Welcome to an overview of DashCop, an automated e-ticket generation system for two-wheeler traffic violations using dashcam videos. Let's start by exploring the main interface of our system. The first step involves processing dashcam footage from vehicles. We will initiate this by clicking the Get Reports button. Now, let's examine each violation report generated by the system. For this first report, in the top left frame, we see a rider motorcycle instance where a violation has been detected. The adjacent frame shows a zoomed-in view of this instance. In this particular case, we are looking at a helmet rule violation. Below, we have the frame showing the captured license plate. And the third column displays a zoomed-in view of the license plate along with the detected license plate characters. We can review the video footage from which these violations were captured by clicking the video button. After verifying the violation, we can issue an e-ticket by clicking the Issue e-ticket button. Notice the pop-up notification confirming that the e-ticket has been generated. Moving to the next report, we can see a triple riding violation that has been captured. Here, we see the full frame, then we see the zoomed-in view of triple riding instance. It's important to note that the frame where the license plate evidence is captured may differ from the frame where the actual violation is observed. This is done to ensure that we capture a license plate where characters are visible clearly. Similar to the previous case, we can generate e-ticket by clicking on the Issue e-ticket button. Moving on to our next report. There could be cases like this, where we are sure of the violation. For example, this is a helmet rule violation, but the license plate might be captured incorrectly. If you see, there's this one character which has been captured incorrectly. In that case, we can update it using the input field and the update button. Once the license plate is updated successfully, the ticket can be generated. Going on to our next report. Another case could be where an instance is falsely marked as a violation when it is clearly not so. In such cases, we have the option to cancel the e-ticket using the Cancel e-ticket button. Thank you very much.